In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to recharge Compass Card online. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Adding balance or value into your Compass Card is extremely simple. You will be able to do it online through the website. So all that you have to do is visit our official website through a web browser on your computer or your phone. So you will be able to access the Compass Card website. It is going to look like this, and in here you will have access to all of the features that they have. So as you can see, one of the features that they offer is auto load. As the name suggests, you will be able to set up automatic top-ups or pass renewals. Don't worry, this is only optional. If you only want to charge it once, you will be able to do it like that. So, to start, I recommend signing in to your account. If you don't have an account, register your card. You will be able to get this done by using your Compass card number and other information, and as long as you register it through this page, you will be able to have access to all of the features. So register it with the number, security code, and the card name, which is optional. By doing this, you will be able to protect your balance if your card is ever lost or stolen, and you will be able to manage all of the options related to automatically loading it up, and so on. Now, you can go over to this page, and once you see your card, you will be able to select it to add value, or you can go over to this website instead, compasscard.ca/loadcard. In this page, you will also be able to enter your card number, security code, and include the amount that you want to add. You will be able to browse through various different payment options, and once any of the payment options is selected, you will be able to get this done. The balance will be added, and you can check at any time by going back to the home screen of the website or signing into your account. As long as you include the full card number, the security code, you will have access to all of the information about the card, including the balance loaded into it. I hope I was able to help you on how to recharge Compass Card online. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.